Hey, this is Prashant here, and one of the cool features of ChatGPT, which has offered recently, is browsing facilities. Because if you really know, ChatGPT never had direct internet access; it was always had a stored data. But right now, the latest version of ChatGPT, they have enabled the browsing. That means it is connected to Bing, which is from Microsoft, and this opens up a lot of real opportunities to really do many of the activities. So in this short video, I want to go show you exactly what does that means and how you can do. So what to enable this browsing, all you have to do is to click on your chat GPT settings, go to the settings, and here if you see the beta features, you can enable Bing. So of course this works only if you're a plus user, if you are on a paid version, but it's worth to upgrade. But let me show you what does that means. Once you enable this Bing version, so you can go to the chat GPT, and whenever you open a new chat window, so let us open a new chat window, and you can see the chat GPT 4, and here you can select browse with Bing. So let us see what is that, how you can do the browsing, what are the things you can do. So one of the cool things you can do with browsing is I just did a recent uh, something like this: provide a short analysis of latest SaaS fintech trends and the consumer behavior and the buying behaviors patterns in the first quarter of 2023. So this is like the latest or second quarter, let's put it even second quarter of 2023. So I am just trying to analyze what are the SaaS fintech trends and buying behavior. So obviously this is not possible in the earlier versions of ChatGPT, but let's see what it does now. So as you can see, the web browsing picks up, it starts browsing now. So it is trying to find out various websites where this SaaS fintech trends is available. So as you see, it is showing some of the reading state of fintech Q2 23. So many places it searches, and then once it finishes the browsing, it is going to give me details of these things like global fintech slowdown. So some of the things it is giving, which is a far better way to do research now versus earlier way of going to the websites or going to Google or something like that. So in this way, this is just one of the things. I will also show you some additional ways you can actually use this prompt chat GPT. Let's say you want to understand some latest trends. So you can also ask, hey, provide me latest uh, update on how the G20 event happened. Summarize. So I'm just giving a summarize me with the latest, with the update on G20 event that happened in India. I'm just in 10 points. So this is a very top level, not a very business related, but still, if you want to get something, you can easily see that how it summarizes the events, how the G20 event happened. Also, let's see. So as you can see, G20 event India 2023 updates. It's going to search a lot of things on the browsing. Uh, So one more cool feature, what you can do with Chat GPT is you can also ask Chat GPT with this Bing feature, especially the analysis, like how is the market looking for, or how is your buyers are, what do they feel about a new product, if you're launching a new product, what I call a customer empathy. So So as you can see, it is giving some 10 sites. You can definitely ask ChatGPT also what are the websites it really searched to get these details. So this is something which is very cool. But now if you want to really understand how the market perceives a certain, how the people behave, you can also ask ChatGPT, share me what do users feel about latest AI technologies um, affecting jobs, IT services jobs in Reddit, Quora, and other forums. So this is a very interesting way you can also check ChatGPT. Uh, how do people really feel about some of the things? So it's going to look into the various platforms and then see. So as you can see, depending on the kind of question, it takes certain more time to do, but the whole idea is doing this kind of research on your own would have taken so long or even, but here he is able to not only search, he is able to actually summarize some of the things, which is the most important thing. So obviously you can re-verify, but the whole idea is getting the latest information on a prompt and having it is a highly valuable for anyone who is working in different areas of this one. Look at this. So he is able to give, using various platforms, have expressed a mix of concern. Here is a summary of various sentiments. So this is what is called a sentiment analysis. Many users acknowledge potential AI to displace certain jobs, for instance, data analyst positions. There is a general concern that AI potentially reducing number of entry-level job transformation, job description, cost per efficiency, business process, Copilot being ineffective, tech industry. So this is what is the best way to understand what people are telling using the latest AI features. Now, as you see, the lot of things ChatGPT is getting added. Data analysis they have added. They're adding the browsing feature. So the possibilities are endless. And if you really want to master this AI for ChatGPT and ChatGPT for your business growth, check out our one-day workshop which is happening on October 7th.